This product was sent to me from a brand to
guys,
do an
today
honest
we're taking
review,
a
and I
look-
may earn commissions on this video.
Let's get the camera more focused here. This is motorcycle hydraulic lift jack. Now, to put this together is actually not that hard. It looks like it would be a little stressful, to say the least, but it's not, because most of everything is already put together. So all you have to do is put a couple things and bolt a couple things. So this is the jack and the unit up close. So these bolts right here, they did not give anything to tighten them. So keep that in mind. I think it says, yeah, no useful information. Once you got your pieces installed, now with pressure on the pedal and pushing down, slides right down in. Overall, the whole unit is nice and easy to use. Definitely made of high quality steel, that's for sure. So we're not going to set it up here. We want to have this in our garage for a future bike, but overall, very nice, guys. Easy to set up, easy to use. Probably one of the easier ones I've seen that comes complete, or I would say about 75-85% complete.